चले मेरी चलते हैं।
And for the Burma, followed by the Shishakla. I'm handing over the mic to Anwar.
I'd only encourage you to not make this a one-off and continue to always take care of yourselves, both physically and mentally, because that is what is going to make sure that you sustain success and sustain success for a long period of time. So glad to be here with you all today and happy to answer all of your questions.
Please come forward. If they don't know, are you all protected or just you don't perfect? And I can see my eyesight is so clear right now. I can see
Mr. Abhinav Benda, put your hands together. Within we have Liberty and Country Manager India, UKG. Mr. Nitin Chandel, starting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, Thank you. All the things from the Saudi line.